Hi, welcome to Remote Learning. I hope all is going well. My name is Dr. Christy Smith. I'm an instructional coach based at Echols. I also serve County High and some of the other Northern Region secondary schools. You'll be receiving 2 letters in the mail, probably tomorrow or the next day, and they're very important. I wanted to share some more about those letters. One of the letters, if you'll look on your screen, is a way for you to access your student's Schoology account through a parent access code that's unique to you and your student. So let's walk through that shortly together. So your page will have your student's name and your student's 12-digit code. So one of the directions, the very first one says to go to tcss.net, which I already have over here, and find the Schoology tab. So I'm going to click that. Once the Schoology tab pops up, you're going to create your parent and guardian account. Then you'll see the screen here that says log in to sign up as a parent. And then that is step 3. Type in your 12-digit code, and that will be from the top of the page. And as we continue, you would, step 4, fill out the registration information. Step 5, then you're on the parent dashboard. And as you can see on the paper, it'll give you more detailed directions. In step 6, if you need to add another student, say you have another student in the county system, you can actually link that to your parent page. Note down here at the bottom, we cannot recover the parent login information, so be sure you write that down once you make a login password. So that's one important letter that will be in the mail for you. All right, another mail out. Sorry, let me get on the right screen. Is a letter about iReady, which is a test that we're going to take. We're also going to take in school. So we wanted you to be ready to give this test outside of school. Now this test is a little different. It doesn't give you a grade. What it does is it helps teachers find out where your student is, because iReady will set a plan based on how they score. So it says, what is iReady? And it gives you some more information. It is a diagnostic test. So some of the questions will seem easy, some will seem hard, some will seem just right. So as your student is taking this test, try not to help the student at all other than to say, do your best. I know it may be difficult, but I can't help you, just like if you were in school. All right, so on this page it says, how do I log in? So if you're using an iPad, you're going to want to use the Clever app. If you're on a computer, you will go to clever.com. The same way we're kind of getting into Schoology as well. And on the Clever site, you will see an iReady tab. So I already have myself logged into Clever, though your students will look a little different. If you scroll down the Clever page, you will find the iReady block. So they'll click right on that and they should be logged in. Now mine looks different. Your students will show up with the correct reading or math. And so if we go back through this page for directions, now click the wrong button again, remote learning, I'm learning. So if you click through here, it will show you that Monday and Tuesday, we are going to take math. So we would like you to take that as well. So Monday, try to actually before then, log in and make sure it works. Monday, give them a 45-minute give or take time to take the test, and if they need to keep going, they can. We're actually going to split it up over 2 days. If your student can finish in 1 day with some breaks, that's fine too. And then we're going to take reading. So at school, we'll take reading Wednesday and Thursday, so at least aim to take this test by Wednesday, at the latest Thursday. So what happens next? The iReady will give us some information. The teachers will help make a plan. And the parent-guardian expectations are listed right here. So you understand this is a different type of test. The student's going to struggle. It's okay if they miss a question, and it's okay if they struggle, because the teachers need to know what they already know so they won't reteach, and where we need to be, especially with our break in March from last year. We're just trying to find out where our students are. Also, while I have you on this call, so if your student is having trouble getting into Schoology, let's say, they could also go in, make sure you're in Chrome, go to Clever, and then click Schoology. For me, that has been the easiest way to get in. And then it may show up as recent activity. You can always click courses, and it'll show all your students' courses.